What's up everyone, it's Ruijing from Covina. Today I am in Covina looking at some condominiums here. This one in particular is located in 1236 North Sitges Avenue, unit number 2. This condominium is featuring 3 baths, 2.5 bath, about 1,365 square feet. Let's come take a look. Entering in this house, you first see this living room area. We have some windows for natural lights and some fresh airs. And over here, it's a fireplace. You can maybe put a couch sofa here to keep yourself cozy. Keep walking this way. You have a mini wet bar. And then within opening of this area, this is the formal dining room. You can also feel free to put some couches and make it a secondary living room for yourself. And that's the sliding door to the yard and the garage. Keep going on this side. You have plenty of cabinets and a pretty recent installed countertops right here. This would be the fridge area. And then you also have more cabinets for storage. On the left hand side, it's a half bathroom. That's it for the first floor. Let's go upstairs to see the bedrooms. Arriving on the second floor, here you have the washer and dryer hookups. And then over here is the hallway bathroom. It's recently painted, featuring with a tub. Next to the hallway bathroom, here we enter the first bedroom. So this room, it's pretty spacious with windows for natural light. And then you have a closet on this side behind the door. Coming over here, this is the second bedroom. This room is special, featuring a balcony with the sliding door. So this room is a little smaller compared to the other one. You could turn this into a utility room, such as a reading area, a gym, or whatever you name it. Opposite to the other bedroom, here we are in the primary bedroom. So this bedroom is featuring a dual closet, as well as a bay window. Over here is the primary bathroom, featuring a tub. Coming out from the dining room and the kitchen area, here is the patio. So you can put chairs, table here, hang out with your family and friends. Over here is the 2-car garage. Thank you so much for touring this condo here with me in Covina, featuring 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom. And special thanks to listing agent Ruijing Valdez from Opendoor giving us this opportunity to film. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment below what you want to see next. This is Ruijing from Covina. I'll see you in the next one.